Can participating in community service exempt you from KKN?
What?
Yes, there is a community service in government science at UMY that can exempt you from KKN. Curious? Let's take a look for the explanation. The community service program in question is called YSI. YSI itself is under the auspices of the Korps Mahasiswa Ilmu Pemerintahan Government Science Student Corps, commonly known as COMA. YSI was initiated by CSIC, Center of Student Innovation and Creativity, as a form of community service to develop village and create energy between universities and village. YSI COMAP was created because it was to be an organization that has a greater impact on the wider community. This is perfect for those of you who have strong social spirit. For more detail, let's explain about the YSI COMAP program and why they want to discuss this. Let's take the example of YSI COMAP 2024-2025 period. In the previous period, YSI COMAP took on the topic of developing tourist village. But wait, that's not the only topic available. There are also cultural development, health, agriculture, and many more. Why did they choose that topic for their research? One of the YSI members said that after observing the place they chose for their community service, namely Banaran Village, they found that it had a lot of potential, could be developed as a tourist village. Examples include making batik from tom plants, planting mangrove, and releasing sea turtle.
YSI COMAP itself has 5 work programs, namely: this program aims to enhance the human resource of tourist managers through training in organizational management, service standard operation procedure or SOPs for tourists, and team building for tourist aware group or POCDARWIS. This program is conducted in the first month over to this Banaran Entrepreneur. This program aims to integrate tourists and revitalize existing SMEs or SME training. It is conducted over to this Save Nature, Save Future. This program aims to protect the environment there, such as cleaning the big twice, planting mangrove trees 3 times, and providing turtle conservation twice. This program focuses on the infrastructure development, such as constructing a turtle pond or installing information board about the tourist attraction. Digital integration. This program focuses on providing a website for Banaran village tourists, but this program has not yet been implemented. The focus of YSI COMAP development is empowering the community to independently manage tourists so they do not rely on the partner or the government, which is achieved through training, seminar, and other activities.
The reason why we should join the YSI COMAP program is because in this program we can get several benefits. 1. General and meaningful community service experience. YSI COMAP provides students with the opportunity to immerse themselves in the community for 3 months. This experience not only broadens their horizon, but also fosters empathy, social awareness, and the ability to understand the real needs of the community, things that cannot be gained from the classroom alone. 2. Repress KKN. One of the biggest advantages of participating in YSI COMAP is that this program can repress KKN. This means that students no longer need to participate in regular KKN because They have already gained community service experience that is even more intensive, long, and more impactful. 3. Expanding professional relationship and networks. During the program, participants will collaborate with various parties, fellow students, supervising recruit, community organization, local government, and local community. These relationships are invaluable for career, internship opportunity, and future job progress. 4. Hone soft skill and leadership. Living and working in community environment for 3 months will test and develop communication, problem solving, leadership, teamwork, and team management skill. These skills are important and highly sought after in the professional world. 5. Build a strong portfolio and CV. Long-term service experience such as YSI Comap are a help place on your resume. This experience demonstrates commitment, leadership, and the ability to work in the field, which will set participants apart from other applications in the job market. 6. Becoming an agent of change for the community. Through this program, participants not only learn for the community, but also make a real impact. Students can help improve education, health, economy, or the quality of life of particular community. The experience of being part of this change is invaluable for personal development. 7. Opportunity to develop innovation and creativity. YSI Comap provides space for students to create creative programs in the social, economic, or environmental field. This is a great opportunity to test innovation ideas directly in the field. 8. A new environment that is challenging but strengthens mental fortitude. Living for 3 months in a service area is not easy, but this experience builds mental strength, independence, and resilience. There are many life lessons that can only be learned by stepping out of one's comfort zone. 9. Providing inner satisfaction and a sense of humanity. Helping the community directly result in a high level of personal satisfaction. Participants often feel that they receive more than they give, whether in the of experience, affection, or life lesson. 10. Preparation for professional and only social life. All the experience, relationship, soft skill, and insight gained will be very useful for the future. Many alumni for similar program feel much more prepared to face the world of work and social life after participating in long-term community service.